In the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda, the nostrils are regarded as important gateways through which the 5 elements ether, air, fire, water, and earth manifest within our psychosomatic organism. By directing the breath into specific areas of the nostrils, we can strengthen the attributes of the corresponding elements and bring balance to our being. This video explores the practice of nasya and the significance of nasal massage in Ayurvedic traditions. By consciously directing the breath into these all areas of the nostrils, we can activate or deactivate specific elements, thereby influencing our energetic state. For example, a person with a predominance of vata dosha, characterized by qualities of air and ether, may direct their breath away from the air and ether sites while focusing on the earth site to enhance groundedness. Similarly, an individual with kapha dosha, associated with water and earth, may direct their breath away from the water and earth sites and toward the fire site to increase agni or digestive fire. On the other hand, a person with pitta dosha, aligned with fire and water, may direct their breath away from the fire and air sites and toward water and earth to reduce excess agni. Meditation also plays a significant role in nasya, as it acts as a form of conscious awareness through the nasal passages. The nostrils serve as the doorway to the 72,000 energy channels, with 36,000 located on the pingala, right, side and 36,000 on the ida, left, side. When there is a balance between these two energy channels, the central channel called sushumna opens, allowing for heightened awareness and expanded consciousness. This expanded consciousness enables a language beyond words and images, an intuitive understanding and communion with the self and the surrounding world. In meditation, conscious breathing becomes the focal point, involving the intentional balance of breath between the right and left nostrils. This practice harmonizes the solar and lunar energies, balancing pitta, fire, and kapha, earth and water. With conscious breathing, conscious living unfolds. Ayurveda views this, beyond image language, as a multidimensional phenomenon. Vaikari represents the language of words, while Pashyanti embodies the language of the eyes. Madhyama serves as the bridge between a vision that extends beyond images and listening that transcends words. Finally, Para signifies the language of communion, a non-verbal understanding that goes beyond conventional communication. Maintaining clear, clean, and balanced nostrils is vital for the sense of smell, known as olfaction. In Ayurveda, every emotion, feeling, and dis-ease is believed to carry a distinct smell that triggers memories, associations, and accompanying emotions. For instance, cynicism is associated with a bitter and pungent smell, while anger carries a sour scent. Fear may be linked to a pungent aroma, and love is often associated with a sweet fragrance. By keeping the nasal passages clear, we can remain aware of the specific smells associated with emotions, feelings, or imbalances. To support general health and well-being, Ayurveda recommends lubricating the nose each morning with ghee. This practice not only helps maintain nasal hygiene but also promotes a melodious voice, enhances vital capacity, and contributes to overall success in life. In addition to nasya, nasal massage is another valuable technique in Ayurvedic self-care. Massaging the nasal area with herbal oils, such as sesame or almond oil, can provide nourishment, improve circulation, and alleviate nasal congestion. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.